Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. With its crystal clear HD camera, motion detection, and instant alerts, you'll know who's at your door before they even ring the bell. Whether it's a package delivery, a visitor, or a stranger, you can interact with them directly through the two-way audio, keeping your home secure and informed at all times. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best video doorbell camera on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video. Number 1.
It's time to unleash the protection of dual cameras.
Dual cameras? What can they do?
We help you see everything, from door to floor.
That's amazing! Be back before 10, okay?
Okay, see you, Dad.
What else can it do?
We'll also guard your deliveries with smart AI.
And let you know when a new parcel arrives, while keeping porch pirates away.
Hey! Hands off my parcel!
Dual spotlight system lights your way home in the night.
Need a hand?
Alexa can show you who's there.
Oh, it's Sean and the gang. Wow, it's so clear, even in the night.
That's nothing. Don't forget Doorbell Cam also comes with local storage and no monthly fee.
Multi-dimensional protection is that easy.
Number 2.
Introducing Reolink Video Doorbell PoE and Doorbell Wi-Fi, the first ever video doorbell from Reolink. Answer your door from home, workplace, anywhere.
Wait for a little while, please.
2K plus video quality informs you with richer details. With person detection, it sends alerts even if the bell wasn't pressed.
Get away from my house.
A snapshot of the notification lets you see who's at your door without unlocking the screen. Kind of busy right now? Let your preset voices speak for you.
Please leave the package at the door. Hey Google, show me the front door.
And Google Assistant makes everything easier when your hands are full. Add extra peace of mind with Reolink Video Doorbell.
Number 3.
DANMINI Smart Video Doorbell, 100 large viewing angle, ultra high definition camera, doorbell message push, real-time visitor reminder.
Is anyone there? Your delivery has arrived.
Please put it at the door for me. Intelligent video and voice intercom understand the true information of visitors. Infrared night vision function. One-click video. One-click photo checking. You can check it when you get home. All-day visit information.
Hello friend, are you at home?
Shortcut key operation. Say goodbye to tedious settings. External industrial grade antenna. Enjoy uniflame retardant material. No wiring required, easy installation, convenient and fast. The camera has a super long standby time of 6 months. DANMINI Smart Video Doorbell make home time easier and more reassuring.
Number 4.
Mommy, I come.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Stevens. I have your delivery.
Please leave it around the side of my house. Excuse me, can I help you?
Hello!
Whoa, ho, ho.
Number 5.